What's going on, YouTube? Man, we just ordered some Del Taco here. Y'all can see by the bag, Del Taco. We're going to be trying out everything that's inside this bag. So y'all stay tuned, okay? Let's get into this video. Finna go get the munchies, get into this bag. Let's dive into it. First thing we got in the bag is a burrito. Let's get into this burrito. Big old burrito, y'all know what it is. Look at that. Fries near. It's the best. I gotta get one more bite of this, y'all. Hold on 1 second. It's from the bar. Delicious. You got big old burrito. Napkins. Oh, I got nachos in here, y'all. I know what it is. Get into one of these nachos, man. I know they taste so good, make you want to slap your mama. Del Taco the bomb. 10 out of 10. Oh yeah.